You can do everything right. You can budget using the 50-30-20 rule. You can invest your first $100. But if you make just one of the 5 mistakes in this video, your entire financial foundation will collapse. Today, we are not talking about how to make money. We are talking about how to stop destroying it. Welcome back to Financial Freedom Hub. Let's dive into the 5 wealth killers. Mistake number 1, the FOMO trap, fear of missing out. Meet Bob again. Bob sees his neighbor buy a new car after investing in a random meme coin. Bob panics. He buys at the absolute peak because he wants to get rich quick. What happens next? The bubble bursts. Investing is not a casino. If it's on the front page of the news, you are already too late. Boring investing makes you rich. Exciting investing makes you broke. Mistake number 2, ignoring hidden fees. It sounds harmless, right? What's a 1% management fee to a financial advisor? Let me show you the math. Over 30 years, that tiny 1% fee can eat up nearly 30% of your total wealth. That is hundreds of thousands of dollars stolen from your retirement. Always look for low-cost index funds and ETFs. Keep your money in your pocket. Mistake number 3, lifestyle creep. You get a raise, congratulations. But suddenly, your old phone isn't good enough. You need a bigger apartment. You need designer clothes. You are making more money, but your bank account stays the same. You are just upgrading your level of being broke. The wealthy get a raise and invest the difference. The poor get a raise and buy a liability. Mistake number 4, trying to time the market. I will wait until the market drops to buy in. The economy looks bad right now. I'll hold my cash. While you wait on the sidelines, inflation is silently melting your cash away. The greatest cost in investing is the cost of doing nothing. Start today, even if it's just a small amount. Finally, mistake number 5, lack of diversification. Putting all your money into one company, one industry, or one crypto. If that company goes down, your financial future goes down with it. Protect yourself. Spread your investments across hundreds of companies using an ETF. Don't look for the needle. Just buy the whole haystack. Avoiding these 5 mistakes puts you ahead of 90% of the population. Now that you know how to protect your wealth, you are ready for the final step of our Foundation series. How much money do you actually need to quit your job forever? I will show you the exact math to calculate your retirement number in the next video. Click here to watch it now. Learn to be free.